How to zoom out pictures on Instagram when posting multiple. So open up your Instagram and you need to go for the plus, which is on the bottom middle. Once you're here on the plus, you need to simply choose the image or picture which you would like to post. So for example, I've chosen one. Once you've chosen, you need to go for the multiple options. Tap on multiple and here you will choose multiple options, right? So once you've choose the multiple, now what you need to do is you need to tap on that picture, and here you will have an option of zoom. So here on the bottom left you will have the zoom option. So if you want to zoom out the pictures, then simply tap on the zoom out and your picture will be zoomed out. And in the same way you can choose another picture and you can zoom out. And once you tap on that zoom out, if you choose multiple pictures also, then your photos or videos will be zoomed out. So like this, every photo that you've selected will be zoomed out. So that's how you can zoom out pictures on Instagram when posting multiple. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.